The word wanna is incorrect grammatically. It is equivalent to want to. When combined with the word I, it helps communicate something you want to do. Here are some examples. I want to talk. I want to search for a job. I want to order some food. I want to marry her. I want to listen to that song. By adding the word don't, you can change the meaning of what you are saying to something you want to do to something you do not want to do. Here are some examples. I don't want to talk. I don't want to search for a job. I don't want to order some food. I don't want to marry her. I don't want to listen to that song.